Hello there, my name is Joanne Moss. I am the Director of Marketing here at Standard Electric, and welcome to the second Hot Products in a Hot Minute for February. And I'm very excited because we have Mike Ubl, our Senior Director of Engineering here at Standard Electric, who is going to share something. It's not a product, but it's a service that Standard offers you. It brings more value to you than you probably know. So I'm just going to stop talking, turn it over to Mike, and let him tell you all about it.
Good morning, Joanne. So what a value engineering assessment is first of all, I want to make it clear, this is something that we do for OEMs, somebody who builds machines, right? So what this assessment is our team or members of our team, we've got a combined several hundred years of experience. I really don't want to say how many I add to that total, but it's a lot. So anyway, we sit down with your engineers and we look over your entire design, from the operator interfaces to the control panel layout, your program, everything. And we will come up with ideas to, first of all, make your machine a little easier. And what we mean by that is a little easier for your operators maybe to operate your machine. So it increases the efficiency of the operators. Also, we make your design a little more efficient by maybe finding savings in space. We'll find smaller products that maybe take up less room, or maybe find ways to consolidate products. One of the biggest ways we like to consolidate products is if you've got a lot of safety and you've got a PLC, we'll talk to you about maybe combining into a safe PLC and getting rid of the extra safety modules. We'll also work to make your machine faster by adding processing power, looking at maybe mechanics of your machine to maybe make your machine that you're building put out more product. We will try to make your design more affordable by taking out more expensive components and putting better, more exactly designed products that will do your job maybe exactly or better, but save you money in the long run. We'll also look for ways to make your machine safer. That's one of the things that we're really good at. We bring a lot of years of experience with safety products to bear. And then finally, we try to make your machine, or work with you to make your machine and your design more globally accepted. If you're utilizing, not many people do this anymore, but if you're using NEMA components, we'll show you why you'd want to use more IEC-based components. But otherwise, we'll look at ratings that you need if you want to expand into Europe, making sure that your machine meets all those criteria. So it's a very thorough process. And when we leave, you've got a bunch of bullet points and product ideas to help make your machine, like we say, better, faster, cheaper, and more acceptable, and certainly more safer.
Mike, thanks for sharing about that. I know that's a wonderful value-added service that we offer to our customers, and we would love for you to reach out to your account manager to learn more about how we can help you make a better machine. And so that's it for this installment of Hot Products in a Hot Minute. Please like, subscribe, and follow, and we will see you next week. Have a good week until then.